Hey guys, this is Mrs. Dunham, and this video is for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade students. The purpose of this is to show you how physical education works for a middle schooler. So we're going to go over kind of everything you need to know to have a successful start in PE and to do well this semester. So I'm going to walk you through a couple of different things. Notice that I am currently logged in as a 7th grader. So if you're a 6th or 8th grader, that's okay. Some things might be slightly different, but for the most part, everything's going to be the exact same. Also, you are looking at my teacher account, so there's going to be some things that look different about that as well. But I'm still going to be able to show you how to do well in the course with my teacher account. So just a couple of things to keep in mind. So one of the first things I want you to notice about middle school PE is once you log into the course, every Monday morning at 7 a.m., I post an announcement that gives a general overview of what's going on that week in PE. So you'll see right here that this first week, I'm welcoming you to the class. I include a snapshot of the PE pacing guide. So this shows what's going on this week. And I give you some helpful links. So every week, I would really encourage you to make the announcement part of the course the first place that you check. It's super helpful. It's a great place to launch for the week into PE class. Once you're ready to really dive into your content for the week, the best place to do that is up here by clicking on the Content tab. Once you do that, you'll see a lot of items load over here on the left. These are lots of different tabs. Let's check out the Course Materials tab. This is super helpful. In the Course Materials tab, you will always find the syllabus, how to contact me. You'll also find the PE pacing guide, a blank fitness log, and the Get Fit handbook. So these will always be in this Course Materials tab. Let's check out the PE pacing guide real quick. I did just mention this as part of your weekly announcements, but in the weekly announcements, you'll just see a snapshot of that week. By coming to the pacing guide, you can see the whole semester. So you can scroll down to any week of your choosing and check out what's going on that week. You'll notice that I've included live class on the pacing guide, and I've also included the unit that we are in. Back to course materials. There's also a blank fitness log in course materials. We're going to go over the fitness log in just a second in more detail, but you can always find a blank one here. So you're ready to start in Unit 1 or whatever unit. Click on Physical Fitness Program and then choose the unit that you'd like to work in. We're going to look at the first one. Anytime you click into a unit, there will be 3 items to click on. The first will be the unit's fitness guide. The second item will be a blank fitness log. And the third item will be the place to submit your blank fitness log. So let's look at the guide to start off. All right, so this is where it's going to look a little bit different if you're a 6th grader or an 8th grader. Your guide is going to be a little more unique than this one. So, but the idea is the same. The fitness guide walks you through what to do in PE day by day. So there's a day 1, a day 2, day 3, and day 4. Each day has you warming up and stretching, doing some sort of activity, and then it will tell you what to include in your fitness log for that day. On every fitness guide, no matter what unit you're in, you will scroll through and get to a section that looks like this. And it might be a little alarming to you because, as you can tell, it's blacked out, or another official term would be it's redacted. Please just ignore this. Every fitness guide contains 5 days, and I have decided that you only need to do 4 days. So I've just removed the other day so that you aren't confused about what not to do. As long as you can't see it, you obviously can't complete it. So just ignore that, pretend like it's not there, and complete the parts that you are able to see. Okay, so let's say that you have worked through day 1 of your fitness guide, and now you're ready to enter information into your fitness log. So like I said, within every unit, there is a blank fitness log. You'll click on that, you'll download it to your computer, and you will begin filling it out for the week. Make sure you put your name at the top, your grade, and the unit that you're working on. And then you'll see there are 4 days of activity to fill out. Include the date, and then here and here is where you're going to fill in information based off what your fitness guide is directing you to complete. Check this part out real quick right here. It's very important. It says you must complete activity from the unit's fitness guide. Logs turned in that do not follow the guide will receive only up to 60% credit. This is really important. This means that you can't do your own activity. And so if some of you happen to be on some type of sports team like soccer or dance, etc., unfortunately, you can't count that as your activity for PE because that's not how the class is designed. The class is designed for you to follow the guide and complete the activities from the guide. So doing that will give you the potential to earn up to 100% credit. If you choose to do your own activity, you can only earn up to 60% credit. So please keep that in mind. Obviously, it is going to affect your overall grade. And if you have further questions about that, you can reach out to me. Now, your fitness log is done. It's the end of the week, and you're ready to turn it in. Go back to Unit 1. There are 2 different ways you can submit fitness logs. The first way is within the unit. So right here, we're in Unit 1, and you see the link that says Submit the Fitness Log. That's the first way. The second way is back up at the top of the screen, click on the Tools tab, click on Assignments, and you'll notice once you click on Assignments that you have a whole list of all of the semester's fitness logs here, starting with Unit 1. So it's the same thing. You would click into here, and you would upload your fitness log Word document or fitness log PDF to the Dropbox, and that's how it gets turned in. The last thing I want to talk about is attendance. Every week when you attend live class or watch the recording, you will get a password to take your attendance quiz for that week. In order to access your attendance quizzes, you have to log into the course, and you'll see right here the attendance quiz module. So you'll click into that, and within this module, all of the week's attendance quizzes are listed. Now, if you were viewing this as a student, you would not be able to click into week 2 or week 3 or week 4 because attendance quizzes do not become available until the day of class. Okay, so once we have class, the quiz will become available. I will share the password with you in live class, or you can catch it on the recording, and you will use that password to access your quiz and complete that for attendance points. Okay. All right, guys, I think that is all. I hope this gave you a really good idea of how to be successful in PE this semester. Good luck, and as always, reach out to me if I can be of any help. Thanks.